Okay, I'm going to do a little review of my DJI Osmo Pocket 2, which is a handheld action camera. However, it's more geared towards vloggers like myself. So I love this camera. I've had it since May and I use it all the time. So I'll just walk you through what I love about it. It is a video camera and also a regular camera. So you can take photos or video with this device. Right here is when you press this, it either starts to record video or take the photo, and you change the setting based on what you need with this button. So if I click it once, it turns it to a camera. And then if I click it again, it turns back into a video camera. If I click it 3 times, it turns the gimbal around to the other side to shoot that way. Or if I want to do a selfie type video, I flip it around and it will face me. And that's if you click it 3 different times. So there are different modes. You can do different glamour effects. So you can kind of like blur your face out. You can do that really subtly, or you can make it more extreme. The battery here is indicated on the back. You can zoom in and out. And I do have the creator stick attached. So you can remove this and it still works just fine. The only difference is you can't live stream without this, and you can't connect to your phone. Or through Wi-Fi. This has Wi-Fi in it, but this will still work. You'll have to plug in via USB to download all of your photo and video. So I really enjoy having the creator stick on there as a feature, but it is extra and you certainly don't need that. I want to show the tripod that I bought as an added accessory. And it's really inexpensive and totally worth it, in my opinion. It just kind of makes it convenient to put the camera on a tabletop surface, and it also folds up so you can use it as an extended kind of like a selfie stick, which is actually really nice to have. And another great feature is that you can actually change the image quality or the video quality. So you can go up to 4K, which is amazing for a camera of this size. There's a joystick that you can use to zoom in and out of the camera, and the image quality stays really nice when you're zoomed all the way in. And the little screen is actually a touch screen, so you can use all of the controls that way. You can set a timer for a photo if you want to take a photo that's set on a timer. You can change the setting to follow or tilt or whatever. You can switch the camera mode from front to back, and you can recenter. You can select the subject you want to focus on. Here's the timer setting that I wanted to show you. And then you can also put the glamour effects and show what percentage of glamour effects you want to put on. So if you want it to be really subtle and just kind of blur your face out a little bit, like any imperfections, or you can do a more drastic glamour effect. You can change between slow-mo, time lapse, panoramic, photo, video, all through the touchscreen. And it's really easy to navigate, even though it's such a small screen. So you can swipe left to right. There's different settings that way. And then if you go back to the main screen, it'll show you can do like the aspect ratio. So if you want a 16:9 aspect ratio or a 4:3, which is more of a square shape. So here's more touchscreen features. I just really wanted to be detailed with showing you this. And then here's where you select the glamour effects. And you can also select all these options if you have the app on your phone. And then you can use the do it all handle or the creator stick to control the camera from your phone. So that's actually a really nice feature because you can see the screen, which is much larger on your smartphone device. Here I'm showing the follow, so you can see it doesn't tilt up or down. It just is moved side to side. It's so smooth, you guys. I just love this camera so much. And then when it's tilt locked, it goes up and down, but it does not go side to side. So those are the two main features that I use. And you can also stabilize it so that it doesn't move at all if you're just wanting to do a still shot. But that makes such a big difference when you're shooting videos. It honestly makes all the difference in making your videos look professional and just overall more professional and more edited. I think it makes a huge difference in the production quality of the video.